Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have some midweek magic over at Walgreens and we're going to be looking at a bunch of different deals to get these items on the cheap. So if that's your thing, keep watching and please like this video. It really helps me out and to get this video out there for other shoppers to find so it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. So just like this video and thank you so much in advance, guys. First piece of business, not so great. We had a $3 digital coupon attaching to these single boxes of puffs. And that was curbside exclusive only. And guess what? That digital coupon has vanished and it is no longer attaching as of this morning, which is Wednesday, May the 22nd. So just keep that in mind. This is a dead deal, meaning it is over. Dunzo. Finished. This morning, as I was looking in the Walgreens app, guess what? We have 2 new boosters that populated: a 10 back when you spend 35 on summer, valid through the end of June, and then a 5 back when you spend 27 for smaller basket next week. That's going to be quite fantastic. For everybody, we also have a $1.99 11 by 14 poster photo, valid right till the 23rd. So I think this has to go with graduation. Or maybe it would be cool to do a nice last day of school picture of the kiddos. Either way, if you want an 11 by 14 for $1.99, it's once per store card. So you would use the code at checkout 11 poster. And again, that's valid right through the 23rd. Put your order in now, and even if you pick it up a little later, you're still going to pay that $1.99. I would personally use $2 in Walgreens cash if you might have it on your store card and get your poster for very little out of pocket. The first deal that we're going to talk about, a special shout out and thank you to Rolling Coupon Mom on Instagram. She's a friend of the channel, a friend in general, just a very nice lady. She's down there in central Michigan, and $1.79 Oreos at her store. If you pay attention here, guys, we have the family size bags that are double stuffed and the regular. This is a your mileage may vary. Not every store will have it, but this is in Michigan, and I know we have a lot of Michigan shoppers here. We have a $1 off IVC coupon, so that's going to attach, making it 79 cents. So your piece of homework is to go in that cookie aisle and see what they might have. And then if you find like those family size bags, ask for a price check. Just bring like the double stuffed and regular ones. Ask for a price check. You have nothing to lose. And I certainly would. Like, you have absolutely nothing to lose. And if it's unmarked clearance and you're really into cookies, like, it would be fantastic. And how that IVC coupon works, it works more than once. So say you grabbed like 4, you would get $4 off and just pay the balance is $79 per bag. And this is, again, your mileage may vary and you must do this in store. You can't do it as a curbside pickup. You have to physically go and see, like, what are the prices of the Oreo family size cookies? And you might really luck out. I did visit many Walgreens earlier this week, and this clearance Maybelline makeup, if you know, you know, curbside, we're getting it for free with a discount coupon code. So I would definitely do this deal curbside. I'll leave my curbside video at the end if you wish to watch it. But like, yeah, we're getting these for free, 3 of them, whole bunch of different colors, and most stores were completely stocked. So I don't know, this foundation was almost $17 and it's like on clearance for $4.29 with magic and coupons and blah blah blah. Like, make it happen, guys, especially if you love makeup. You know the value right here. Now, while I was tap dancing through the different aisles, lots of manufacturer coupons that were with the products for Banana Boat, along with hang tags. I mean, don't grab it unless you're buying the product. There was a huge amount of hang tags. They're not going to disappear anytime soon. It's the hanging coupon in the back. But lots of coupons like throughout the store. I was like, wow, that's quite a few. Even for my taste, I was pretty shocked. And then also with the Chic Silk Ladies Razor, that's a manufacturer coupon for $4 off. And I was like, wow, I haven't seen this sort of generosity in years. It must be Christmas in May. And we also have this super fancy Dove Vitamin Care deodorant, $3 off tear pad. So, like, be on the lookout for those. The next deal we're going to talk about is the Walgreens dandruff shampoo at $5.49. Buy 2, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. If you look at the tag, At the very below, this deal expires on May the 25th, which is Saturday. So if you like this dandruff shampoo, make it happen. Two of these is $10.98, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $5.98 for the two. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, and it ends on Saturday, so make it happen if you want to stock up on this. Let's talk about a paper deal of the week. We're going to go with the Scott's for $5, so the toilet paper, and then we have a 4 equals 7 count of the paper towel also for the same price. We have a Walgreens coupon and digital coupons. Double, triple check your ShopMe account if you might have $1 back for both of those as well. Why not? And you can do this deal alternatively in store as a curbside. As a curbside, I could not get WAG 10 to apply, so maybe doing this in store is the easier way. So we're going to throw in 2 of each, 2 paper towels and 2 toilet papers, and make sure you have those ShopMe rebates. These are the digital coupons that you're going to load. We have a $1.25 off of the toilet paper, and as you can see, it says expires in 2 days, so use it or lose it. $1 off the paper towel, and then we also have $1 off the toilet paper. So make sure you have those 3 coupons loaded. Dumb reason, the only ones I could get to attach, even though there was an extra Scott coupon, it wasn't coming off. So just to show you the chorus line of all the digital coupons melting off. So that's $7 coming off. The overall total is $20. After all of that and my tax, it's $13.90. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Use $10 and pay $3.90 out of pocket. And then you're going to photograph your receipt for $2 back from ShopMe. It basically shakes these out to $2.75 per unit of paper, and that's a little something called not too shabby. I know a lot of you absolutely love Olay, so this one is definitely going to be done curbside. We're going to grab one of these Olay Super Serums for $19.99. Yes, it is a mini, but if this is a product that you're like, hey, I really want to try it, this is definitely your opportunity. And you're going to load this $4 digital coupon, and it's working on the mini, so why not? As you can see, it expires in 2 days, so use it or lose it. To get our basket right to $20, I'm going to throw in one of these puffs. Unfortunately, we don't have a digital coupon that's attaching anymore, so Price is Right sad music. Both of these products, we have a $5 back when you spend $20. Operative word is spend in that, so you got to pay the balance with your debit card. $21.98, $1.80 melting off with WAG 10, free curbside pickup, tax, $4 digital melting off. With your debit or credit card, pay $17.39, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. So if you've always been curious about this lotion, it's basically like $12 with tax. I mean, it is a little bit, but if you've always been curious, or if you're like, I really love this, I don't think it's the worst. If you have an extra booster, like a 5 back when you spend $20, that would be a little bit better, but make it happen, guys. Guys, so before I skedaddle into the big sunset, yesterday there was like a penny list of like just so many different items from Blue Dot, Winter Hardware, so many items that pennied out. I made a video showing UPCs and where I specifically found most of the stuff in store. If you want to watch it, I will link it right here. That's it for this video, guys. Get out there and make some of these deals happen.